Yeah, now tell us about the boogeyman and that monster.
Can you chase me if you're the boogeyman?
But I'm not the boogeyman. The boogeyman trapped me in my room.
Where is he?
I killed him.
No, where is he? Is he upstairs?
Yeah, he went up after Aunt Lisa and everybody.
Upstairs? Yeah, upstairs.
Yeah, he went upstairs.
Can I see? Wait, upstairs? Yeah, upstairs?
Uppy stairs.
Can I see mine? Can I see mine?
You have to stand over there in front of the camera. Tell us about the boogeyman. Go over there and tell us. Tell us about the monster.
What's the monster?
What was he like?
He was like a boogeyman.
What did he look like?
He looked like blue.
Blue.
No, purple, I mean.
Oh. And what did he do to you?
He traps me in my bedroom and locks me in my bedroom.
I don't think he did that.
He did that a lot of times and a lot of times because he doesn't like me. I'm not a baby. He trapped me when I was a baby. He locked me in there and I was crying because I wanted my mom to feed me.
And that was the boogeyman you saw tonight.
Yes. Yep, and I had a dream about him. Don't want to have a dream about him because he's going to do whoa, whoa, and he's going to wake me up. Don't want him to wake me up because if he wakes me up one more time, I'm going to smash his face.
Really?
And Bree's turn.
Oh, okay. Well, tell us about the boogeyman. Take that binky out of your mouth. What happened with the boogeyman? Bree? Bree?
She doesn't know about the boogeyman.
What happened? What just happened? Did he try to take you somewhere?
Let me say